Hello, Miss Divra. I am ELVIANA ROSLI. So today, our group, which is Group 3, will be presenting our answer for the assignment task. Our group members are Thashalini, FATHEEN, NADIA, and SUHAIMI. For task 1, our group decided to choose sonic and edify forms. For task 2, I'll present the answer for sonic form. The question are asking for mean, mode, and median. So, I will calculate the mean by add all the data of the sum for sonic form from the years of 1998 until the year of 2021 and divide the number of value in the population, which is 24. Then I will get the answer. The answer is RM 399.18 cents. Second is median. Median is a midpoint in a sort. I will calculate the median by add the two midpoint in the set of data for sonic form, which is 398 and 348, and divide with 2. And I will get the answer, which is RM 373. Third is mode. The mode is RM 410. This is because it is appeared twice in the set of data value in sonic form.
Task 2, for edify form, we need to find mean, median, and mode. For mean, we need to sum of all the value in the population, divide with number of value in the population, is equal to RM 320. For median, we need to find the midpoint first. The median is RM 333 plus 337 divided with 2, equal to RM 335. For the mode, is this data set has no mode.
Next, appropriate measures of dispersion, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient of variance for sonic form. Firstly is population of variance. To calculate the variance, we can use the formula as stated in the green box. So, 9,595 minus with 399.80 square divided by 24, and the answer will be 3522987.63%. Next is the population of standard deviation. To calculate the standard of deviation, we can simply square root the answer for the variance. And the answer will be 1,876.96%. Lastly is the population of coefficient of variance. To calculate the coefficient of variance, the formula is standard deviation divided by mean, which is 1,876.96 divided by 399.80, and the answer will be 4.70%.
So, to calculate the variance, we have to find the square difference from the mean for each data value. Subtract the mean from each data value and square the result. So, 7,680 minus 320 square divided by 24, the answer will be 2257066.67%. And after that, for the standard deviation, we will just square root for the variance, and the answer will be 1502.35%. Lastly, the coefficient of variation is the standard deviation divided by the mean, which is 1502.35 divided by 320, and the answer will be 4.69%. And for the task 4, after rearranging the numbers in the data set, we already know that minimum value is 297 and the maximum value is 613. We have to calculate the 25th, 50th and 75th percentile using formula, which is LP equals to n plus 1 P over 100 to first locate the position. So L25 equals to 24 plus 1, 25 over 100 will be 6.25. L25 equals to 6.25 is non-integer. Thus, it means that the 25th percentile is located 25% of the distance between 6th and 7th observation. which is 318 plus 0.25, 324 minus 318 in bracket, and the answer will be 319.50. Similarly, for the 50th and 75th percentile, we have to repeat the same method to find position and calculate it based on the observations value. So for the 50th percentile, the value will be 373, which is basically a median in this data set. And for the 75th percentile, the value will be 425.75. And for plotting the box plot, we have to calculate interquartile range, which is Q3 minus Q1, and that will be L75 minus L25, and the answer is 106.25. After that, calculate the lower limit and upper limit to set up the range for the box plot. So any value smaller than 160.13 or larger than 585.13 is considered a sonic outliers. Based on the data set, the value 590 and 613 are considered as outliers of sonic stock returns, and the distribution of the box plot is not symmetric. And if we look at the graph, it shows that the data set of sonic stock return is negatively skewed from 1998 to 2021.
EDIF data, the minimum value is 218. The quartile 1 is 254.25. The median is 335. The quartile 3 is 364.25, and the maximum value is 584. For the block spot of EDIF company, we must find the lower limit and upper limit. With the formula is quartile 3 minus 2 quartile 1. The lower limit of EDIF is 89.25, and the upper limit of EDIF company is 500 to 29.25. So the block spot shows 584 from the data. The block spot shows is not symmetric, and the graph shows the shape of distribution is positively skewed from 1998 to 2021. Conclusion: we choose Sonic company, which is the stock provides greatest return relative to risk. It is because the data of Sonic company is mostly bigger than data of EDIF company. Besides that, there are two outliers we can get from the Sonic company.